Hello everyone. So the topic for today is pointer arithmetic. So in this topic we'll be discussing what type of arithmetic operators we can use with pointers. So these are some valid operators which we can use with pointers. So we'll be beginning firstly with the assignment operator. So as you can see, I have taken two pointers, star p1 and star p2. These are of integer type. And while using assignment operator, we usually have two cases. One is p2 equals to p1, in which what we're doing is we're assigning one pointer to another. That means that whatever the address value is stored in p1 is being copied to p2. That means now p2 and p1 are pointing towards the same address value. जिस address को p1 point कर रहा है उसी ही address को p2 भी point करेगा. Because p1 में stored क्या थी value actual में एड्रेस वैल्यू स्टोर थी जो किसी एक वैल्यू को पॉइंट कर रही थी. अब हमने वही एड्रेस वैल्यू p2 में कॉपी कर दी है तो सेम p1 एंड p2 अब एक ही एड्रेस वैल्यू को पॉइंट कर रहा है. Then another one is case 2 in which we have used dereferencing operator as well with the assignment operator. So what's the difference here? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Instead of copying that address value to p1, the p2 is copying its pointed value to p1. That means अब address copy नहीं हो रहा, they are still pointing towards a different address. p1 का और p2 का address बिल्कुल different है जिसको वो point कर रहे हैं, but now they have same value at those different addresses. Clear? Let's see a diagrammatic example of it. So what we have here is p1 is having some address value which is pointing towards 8, and p2 is having some address value which is having a value 9. Now after writing p1 equals to p2, what happens is now p1 and p2 are pointing towards same value, same address value. So now p1 is also having the address of 9. What happens in case 2 now? We are having same example, but instead of pointing to that address, what we have done is we have copied the value of p2 to p1. Now they both are having same values, but they are still pointing towards different addresses. Let's start with increment decrement operator. In this table, you can see that in the first column, we have taken different data types and assigned them certain values. And in the next column, what we are having is what address value these data types are stored at, and these have been assigned to a pointer. In the next column, we are applying increment and decrement operation on that pointer. Whenever we apply an increment decrement operation on pointer, increment the stored value in them as per the data type. Clear? So as the integer is of 4 bytes, so we are having a change of 4 byte. That full 4 byte is considered to be a single entity. Apply an increment decrement operation on integer, it will change the values for with 4 bytes, and for float it will also change for 4 bytes, and for long it will change for 8 bytes. Now we have is comparison operator. Comparison operators क्या करेंगे, जिस भी वैल्यू का एड्रेस हमारे पॉइंटर्स में स्टोर है वो उन एड्रेसेस को कंपेयर करेंगे, ग्रेटर देन एड्रेस, लेस देन एड्रेस. So these will be working on the memory location instead of the pointed value. जो मेमोरी लोकेशन उस पॉइंटर में स्टोर है वो उस पे वर्क करेंगे rather than working upon the value which they are pointing towards. So let's see an example for it. This example in here we have taken two pointer A and B, and these pointers are respectively pointing towards the value of I and J. I is having value 100 and J is having value 10. So in here we are using comparison operator inside an if condition. So if this condition would be true, then we'll be printing that pointer B is greater than pointer A. So let's just run the program. Look at the result. It is printing pointer B is greater than pointer A. So as we can see that the value of J is 10. So technically speaking, 10 is not greater than 100. So why are we still printing this? Let's print the address values of pointer A and pointer B. I have used here %u. So because we are printing address values, let's run the program now. In here you can see that the first value is address of pointer A, which is 60, and the next value is 64. So that means our pointer B is having an address value greater than pointer A. You can see that pointer B is greater than pointer A in terms of their address values, not in terms of the values they are pointing towards. Not in terms of the values they are pointing towards.